how to see liked comments on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Instagram on your device. Then tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Then tap on account center. Now scroll down and tap on your information and permissions. Then tap on download your information. Now wait for some time. Then tap on download. Now select your Instagram account and tap on next. Now select some of your information. Now wait for some time. Now scroll down and select likes. Then tap on next. Now select download to device. Then tap on create files. Now you can get your file ready within few hours. Now once the file is ready, simply download it, and on that file you can find all of your liked comments on Instagram. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.